Hi class, Mrs. Haagenson here. I wanted to do another read aloud for you because I heard you really liked the last one and I liked it too. I miss you guys. I wish I were reading with you in front of me, but this is better than nothing. So the book I'm reading today is called Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. That's the title of it. The words and pictures are by Mo Willems. That means he was the author who wrote the words and the illustrator who drew the pictures. Both of them. This is the title page. It has the title of the book again. Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. Ooh, we can see what that pigeon's thinking about. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while, so can you watch things until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. He's walking away. Oh, and we have the dedication page. It says for Cheryl. A lot of times an author will say that they wrote the book for somebody. I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. What do you guys think? Should we let the pigeon drive the bus? I tell you what. I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, vroom, vroomy, vroom, vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. Should we let him drive the bus? He seems a little crazy. No? I never get to do anything. I think I've heard you guys say that before to me. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play drive the bus. I'll go first. Come on, just once around the block. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? What's the big deal? It's just a bus. No fair. I bet your mom would let me. I have dreams, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus. I don't think I would let someone that crazy drive the bus either. Are you guys saying no? Oh, I wonder how he's feeling. Look at his face. Look at the thoughts coming out of his head. Oh, and there's some feathers left over from when he went crazy. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Uh-oh. Bye. Hey. Look at the illustration. That's not a bus. That looks different. What is it? It's a big rig or a truck. Yes. And he's thinking about that truck, just like he was thinking about the bus at the beginning of our story. I wonder what will happen next. That's the end of our story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to look and see if I have other pigeon books because I know that they're a favorite for a lot of 5-year-olds. Have a great day. Bye.